Alright, let's get over to the greenhouse. Look at the size of those leaves. Pumpkin, squash, whole thing. Lots of flower blossoms in amongst those. Looky in there. Looking good, looking good. Alrighty, here we go. The greenhouse. Got a lot of mosquitoes in there too. Let me tell you, it's a wet environment and they are alive. Lots of green tomatoes. Some of them's already turning red. Some of the smaller cherry ones over there. Everything's growing great. Big difference. About 60 days to make. Right there we got some red tomatoes. Right there. I got some tubing holding up some of the plants because they grew way out of their baskets. Everything's looking good. Herbs and spices and things like that. Lemon tree back there. It's doing good. Look at them tomatoes. Watermelon, peppers, potatoes, all kinds of goodies. It's doing good, and we're learning as time goes on with the greenhouse. That's about it. Thank you very much for watching, and please like, subscribe, share our videos, and leave a comment. Let us know what you think.